Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to put together a Vego garden bed, a metal raised garden bed. This was a 6-in-1 model, it's 17 inches tall, and they do have the other one that's taller as well, and they come in different colors and shapes. So you have 6 different configurations, and they last a long time. They're made of alu-zinc, and they'll last over 20 years. So I think it's a pretty good deal. Anyway, you can watch now as I try to put it together. See how easy it is. Okay, I'm gonna make a 2x5 configuration. So it's pretty simple. You just align the hose with the screw, get the washer, put the nut. And then if you want to tighten it, then you do this and you're set. Now I'm going to put, first is easier just to kind of put the different ones and then come back and tighten it all at once, but I just wanted to show you. Do it by yourself, but if somebody helps you, hands you the stuff and holds it, then it's even easier. There you go. So all of those are already put. Now, same thing with this one. Stainless steel screws as well. It'll last a long time. The life of the product. Okay, so now we're ready to put on the side panel, which works the same way. It's quite simple, nothing to it. Let me show you one inside here so you can see. Okay. If you look inside, then you can see you just put the washer, and that's all there is to it. Like I said, you can come back later and tighten it. It comes out pretty good when you hand tighten. I like to go back and tighten it just a little more. There you go. We got a side panel. Okay, so all assembled. Now the last part is to put this protective sleeve on the top. It doesn't really cut you or anything like this, but with this is even better. It's really nice. And even lean over, it's really good. Okay, so that's, since I went with a design that is a little less, it has like I said, it's like 6 configurations, so I went with one that was 2x5, so I have some extra left over. So all I do is I cut it right there, and all set. Now we needed some soil, some vegetables, and we're good to go. Thanks for watching.
I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good.